I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Hulu subscription, follow these steps to do it easily through the web. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Hulu website and click on the login button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find your subscription details. In the account section, scroll down to your subscription area. Here, you'll see your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Click on Cancel Subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You might be asked why you're cancelling, so choose an option that fits. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you miss the confirmation email, you might still be charged for the next billing cycle, so keep an eye out for it. I hope this helps you manage your Hulu subscription easily.